Hello guys. Hello guys. Today I will discuss few important topics which are asked in bank exams, SSC exams and railway exams. And let us see some important days that are asked in these exams like banking, SSC or railway or some of the time in UPSC or BPSC in these exams. So first we will discuss the important days of January. What are the important days in January? So let's begin guys. So first we will see January 4, it is celebrated as World Braille Day. Then January 10, it is celebrated as World Hindi Day. Then January 7, it is celebrated as Pravasi Bharatiya Divas. Then January 12, it is celebrated as National Youth Day. Then we will see very important day, that is January 15, it is Indian Army Day. These questions which is marked as BPI means these are asked mostly in bank exams, most oftenly. So January 24, Rashtriya Balika Divas and National Girl Child Day. January 25, World Leprosy Day, and it is also celebrated as National Tourism Day and National Water Day. Then January 26, it is celebrated as Indian Republic Day. Then we will see on the same day, on January 26, it is also celebrated as International Customs Day and International Environmental Education Day. So on January 27, it is celebrated as International Day of Commemoration in memory of the victims of the Holocaust and International Outer Space Day. Then January 28, it is celebrated as International Reducing CO2 Emissions Day. January 29 is celebrated as World Leprosy Eradication Day. So we have covered the January month, all the important days. If you will remember these questions, you don't need to remember any single day extra to pass your exams like bank, SSC or railway. So let's see the February month. What are the important days in February? So on February 1, it is celebrated as Indian Coast Guard Day. It is very important. This day is often asked in bank exams. So on February 2, it is celebrated as World Wetlands Day. February 4, World Cancer Day. Then February 6, International Day of Zero Tolerance to Female Genital Mutilation. Then February 10, it is celebrated as National Deworming Day. It is very important. This question is very oftenly asked in bank exams. And February 13, World Radio Day. It is also asked so often in bank exams. So please remember this day. On February 20, it is celebrated as World Day of Social Justice. Then February 21, it is celebrated as International Mother Language Day. February 22, it is celebrated as World Thinking Day. February 24, it is celebrated as Central Excise Day. It is celebrated as Central Excise Day. February 27, International Polar Bear Day. So guys, we have discussed January and February month. So in next video, we have discussed the January and February month. So in next video, we will discuss the rest of the months like March, April and more of the months. So if you want to learn more of GK topics like a static or current affairs topic, you should like this video and subscribe to my channel so that I can further upload more videos to let you know guys all the important GK topics and some help which you need in bank, SSC or railway exams. So thank you guys.